Bobby? Are you okay? Don't worry, I'm right here. Everything is going to be fine.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know, but we can't stay here.
He's coming this way.
We've got you, Bobby. Just hold on tight.
Easy now, nice and steady. We're almost there.
Hello there, Bobby. You're in safe hands now, and everything is going to be just fine.
Your heart sounds strong, Bobby.
Yes, you are doing wonderfully.
Everything is all right now. Bobby is safe.
Just need this last signature. There we are. You're all set to go home.
We're going home. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, doctors and nurse, for everything. I am so grateful for the care you gave me.
Hooray! You did it! We're so happy!
Oh, wow! Surprise! Surprise! Welcome back! This is the best pizza ever!
Cheers, everyone. Dig in.
Yum!
Oh, yeah. Dancing time. This pizza is all mine. Come on, everybody. Let's celebrate.
Friends, I am overwhelmed by your kindness. This jungle is our home, and together we can face anything.
The fireflies are amazing. And look, the gem is lighting the path.
Let's go!